Welcome back today for another reaction video. I did that Swiss Air Force video, that air show. I thought we'd discover a bit more today, and this is the Super PUMA display team. There's no captions in the video, and that's just for the words. There's some text here, maybe. Yeah, let me know what that means. But yeah, looks like... Okay, yeah, this will be an interesting video. Let's get right into it. If you got more videos you want me to react to start learning more and just, yeah, watch more of the Swiss Air Force and, yeah, related videos, let me know in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, going to do a lot more of these, so let's get right into it. Okay. Okay, well, see, it says what that means. I think that must be what it says. Flying, if that doesn't translate to that, because that says passion. But anyway, it says flying on the edge. I like the sound of that. It sounds like it's courageous. Yeah, I like that. Flying on the edge. Ooh. So they got a helicopter here. Wow.
Closer. Ready to start number 2.
My reaction is there. Just to look at this. It looks, yeah, such like a powerful helicopter. So it's a Swiss Air Force there. Just, ooh, the build of it is so good. Wow, it looks powerful. So yeah, Super PUMA display team. Oh wow. It looks like it's going at a pretty good speed. Well, hold up. Let's get these dimensions right. Did that go upside down? Flipped? And there's the grass? They flipped this. As I said, I wanted to get the dimensions right the first time I saw it. Wow. Yeah. Okay. Wow. It's just spinning. That's so cool. Oh, wow. Look at the footage there. Or, yeah, the view. Yeah, the view. That's the right word. Look at the view of this. Wow, that's beautiful. But it looks cool as well that they're doing it there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, great capture here. Ooh. Wow. This is really impressive. Okay. Ooh. That the control they have. Oh, again. it's like they were landing and went right back up. Look at this. The wheels touching the ground, right back up, into the sky. Okay. Wow. Ooh. Hold up, though. It's like they're spiraling directly down. That's, ooh, like that's dangerous. Like it looks scary for me. Like, you know, when you're the planes, when you're on the plane, the landing, they're not going straight down. So, ooh, like look at this. Like it's aimed direct. Ooh. I'm sure they know what they're doing. Ooh. It's incredible control. That's for sure. Oh, hold up. Woo. Wow. So, Swiss Air Force Super Puma display team. I tell you what. For this one, I was for real impressed. This was incredible. Let's go back for a little bit here, just to, yeah, we'll leave on that. That was incredible. There was so many parts of the video, and this was just a short little 4 minutes of it. Yeah, really incredible. And when they were going like straight down, and the upside down earlier in the video, wow. This was really incredible. I think, I've done like so many different reaction videos, and I've done, different styles ones, like, different type of videos, but I feel like this is one of the times, or like, I've been, one of the most impressed, if not the most impressed, or shocked from what I've seen. It's just, wow, incredible. So if you've got any more like this, from, Switzerland Air Force related videos, and you think I'll be blown away even more, let me know more videos to react to. Or, if I start doing more of these, any other videos that are Swiss related, if you got any that you want me to react to, don't be afraid just to let me know those videos in the comment section, and I'll be sure to get to them, because, in this short time of a couple of Swiss videos, Air Force related videos, I've been very impressed by them. They're incredible entertainment, that's for sure. So hopefully you enjoyed my reaction, and let me know anything you think I need to know about it, about the Swiss Air Force, some key information, unless there's videos I can learn that from. But for now I'm going to leave it there, and I'll see you in the very next video.